How to withdraw from Quotex to Binance. I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw from Quotex to Binance. First, visit the Binance website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate and click on the Wallet tab in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Withdraw. On the withdrawal page, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from the list of available options. Enter the amount you want to transfer and provide your Quotex wallet address where the funds should be sent. Carefully review the withdrawal details to ensure accuracy. Double-check the wallet address to avoid any mistakes that could result in the loss of your funds. Once you confirm that all information is correct, click on the Submit button to proceed with the withdrawal. If you have enabled two-factor authentication for your Binance account, you will be prompted to enter the necessary verification code at this stage. This additional security measure ensures that only authorized individuals can initiate withdrawals from your account. After completing the withdrawal request, you can keep an eye on the transaction status by clicking on the Transaction History tab. This will show you the process of your withdrawal from Binance to Quotex.